What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be transforming this black Model Y from gloss black to stealth black. We're going to be introducing some of the guys to you, some of our installers, some of our coating guys. We're also going to show you our shop, our PPF bays, our coating bays, our lobby, and things of that nature, just because some of you guys, other detailers, love seeing what other people's shops look like, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll show you the wrap, we'll show you the shops, and we'll show you the gear. Stick with us as we start out our Tuesday. How old were you when you graduated the 5th grade? 22? No. Oh, wow. So what we're doing here is we're removing all of the badges. Say hello, Christian. Hola. Anyway, it's just like that. And then it leaves this disgusting residue that we have to get off. A lot of people have different ways of getting it off. Christian, how are you gonna get that off?
I use a chemical called Rapid Remover. Spray it on, let it sit, and then after a little bit, pretty much just comes right off.
Then we put it in this small bag so we can send it off to our company, Green Emblems. They handle all of our emblems for us and they retape them. And then we'll put them back on the car. We're gonna head into the shop. Christian's still working on prepping that Model Y, so we're gonna head in and just see what else is going on inside the shop.
Hand fries? No, that's just the
All right, Nick, what are we doing in here?
We're doing a carbon fiber wrap.
I really like how you're installing here.
Thank you. I mean, this is what dedication looks like.
Yeah,
right?
it sure is.
You don't have what it takes, and you don't belong here at AP3, all right?
So everybody meet Nick. This is Nick.
Howdy.
Nick, how long have you been installing at AP3?
About 6 months, but I've been on the team for about 10.
Nice. That was bothering me. Good job, Nick. Doing great work.
Thanks, Dad.
Yes. And we've got our sales team. Would you say you guys are the sales team? Customer experience.
Yeah, he sales on customer experience. Is this a video?
You never know with AJ. You always
you
got to
don't.
keep your eyes peeled for the camera.
So, meet Tony. Say hi, Tony.
Hello, people.
Say hi, John.
Hi, John.
These guys make it happen. So if you guys have been on a call or seen an email from us, these are the beautiful faces behind the phone. So
Keep it rolling.
you keep it rolling. Tony, how long have you been here with AP3?
Since the end of 2018, so 3 years now. Wow, time flies.
Dang.
Getting old.
John, how about you?
I've been here for just a couple months, but I was a customer long before I was an employee here, and they did such a great job, I had to come back.
Yeah, he got his. Well, dang it, used to be right there. There's if you've seen it in the videos, it's that silver Model 3 out there that's stealth wrapped. But yes, we got his Tesla Model 3 done, and he came back. He knows all things about Tesla. If you've seen the memes that are, I'm not ready to talk about Tesla, but he's there anyway.
I'm ready
and he's
to talk
ready.
about Tesla.
He drank the Kool-Aid, now he helps make the Kool-Aid.
So anyway, that's our customer experience team. They do amazing work.
Thank you, AJ.
Chris.
Sometimes we're not perfect, and we like our film to be perfect.
Yeah.
Our jobs to be perfect. I saw some tar on the door. that I missed, so I had to rip it off because.
Dang. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
You hate to see that.
Hate to see it, but you know, we want to make our customers
Yeah.
happy, so.
So everybody, this is Chris. Say hello, Chris.
What's up, guys?
Chris has been working with AP3 for how long?
About 3 years now.
Chris, what's your favorite thing to do at AP3?
My favorite thing? Seeing the customers' faces, you know, they see their car. It's
Yeah.
probably my favorite thing because I never thought I would be like, I guess, doing something that make people this happy.
Yeah.
You know?
That's Chris, and he's working on this full gloss Model Y. You won't see the difference, but as you can see, you know, it is wrapped. You would think that we're a Tesla dealership or a Tesla service center with all the stuff that we're doing. But yeah, we've got so many Teslas in here. We do have a McLaren outside, if that makes any difference. We had a few Lamborghinis last week. We just weren't able to film them. Let's go check in back with Christian and see what's going on with the Model Y. Christian, how long have you been working with AP3?
3 long years.
How many people were working back then?
4, including myself.
Yeah.
Me, the owner.
Tion, you, Chris, Ryan. And that was 2017? 2018? Anyway, while he continues to prep that, I have an appointment to get my hair cut. We're gonna do that. I'm just taking an early lunch, get my haircut, we'll come back and continue with that stealth wrap. Okay, this isn't unfamiliar for AP3 employees. This gas station happens to be a walk down from the shop, and we come here on occasion to get some energy fuel. So that's all we're doing. Thank you.
Needed that, Jewel.
Model Y pulled into the shop. Christian has already dismantled pretty much the majority of the vehicle, taking trim pieces off, taking cameras out. It's a little bit tricky if you're doing it for the first time, but they really do pop right out. There's a couple connectors that you just have to disconnect. We do that just so that we can wrap, you know, all the way behind it so that there's no lines or anything like that. Right now, Christian is about to do the rear trunk. We one-piece these rear trunks, so we use a big bulk piece like this. The patterns that a lot of people use right now is it's a two-piece seam. You'll have one piece that lays right here, and then there's another piece that lays here, and it seams along this spoiler edge, but we don't like the way it looks, especially with stealth. We don't want to have any lines of any dirt showing up or anything like that, so that's why we're doing a one piece. We're gonna get to it, and we'll let you know how it goes as we continue. Morning, guys. It is day 2 on the stealth wrap of that Tesla Model Y. Question, are you ram tough?
Several bad puns later.
Both of these things are getting some coatings, some film. We also have a Raptor Killer downstairs. The Dodge Ram with the Hellcat engine in it. Super sweet. We wanted to just give you an update on the stealth wrap, show you some more stuff of what's going on in the shop. We have that McLaren 600 LT inside that's getting a full gloss wrap. We're gonna show you a little bit of that. Let's go inside and check out what's going on. All right, this is where a lot of the magic happens. Always going to be transfer paper all over the floor. Not always, because we do clean up every day. During the work day, after installing, they're gonna clean it up. But this is the nuts and bolts. This is the
nitty gritty.
Got Chris here working on the McLaren. Got this Tesla Model 3. Got another Tesla Model 3 getting the chrome delete. And here's Christian working on the full stealth Model Y. Let me introduce you to one of the founding fathers of this here nation. Not the nation, but AP3. This is Ryan. Say hello.
Hey guys.
Ryan, how long have you been working with AP3?
4 years.
Since it was a baby.
Wee little guy.
He might have not birthed it, but he was there
I helped
the hospital.
I pulled it out.
Yeah,
I cut the cord.
You cut the cord, everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ryan works on a lot of cool cars. What's probably been your most favorite car?
That center. There on the wall.
You wrapped that thing. Did you do a full car on that one?
Yeah, we did a full car on that one. Then we had 2 other centers we did, and just recently did a P1.
Got a floor lift right here. This is where we bring a lot of vehicles. When we're having to do these lower sides, it really helps. We've got the race ramps here. We've got this full stealth that Ryan is working on. And then we've got this other lift over here. We've got our tables, transfer tables. And we've got the plot spot where we plot all of our material, all of our patterns for every vehicle. So anyway, yeah, we have a lot of fun up here. We can go downstairs, check out the coating area too. That's what we got up here. Alright, so we're coming down here to the coating department. We're gonna go check out what they've got going on down here. They've got a lot of coating work, almost like they're constantly working on coatings. These guys never stop, but that's why they're so critical to our team, because they do amazing work. Down here in the coating department, we've got Jason and Jerome working on this Ram. Jason, how long have you been working with AP3?
Been working for AP3 for about a year.
Yep.
What's
Love it here.
what's probably your most favorite car you've worked on?
Man, I probably have to say the Ford GT. Love that thing.
Ooh, the new one or?
It was an older one. I think it was, what, 2014, I think?
Oh, that black one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Love
looks
that
nice. Jerome, how about you? How long have you been working here?
2 years.
2 years? What's probably your most favorite car you've worked on?
The ones I like is the ones that we spend the most time on.
Yeah.
It had to be the Ford GT.
Yeah, that's what Jason just said.
Yeah, the Ford GT.
This is pretty much their shop. They've got some nice lighting. They've got all these little pod lights that help them, you know, spotlight that kind of reflects what the sun does. Because when you take your vehicle outside, it looks a lot different than when it's inside in a nice lit shop. So these pod lights help a lot, just showcase some of the spots that they need to be working on or whatnot. And this is where the magic happens. And then we've got some different garages where we leave some of the vehicles. The dryer just said that these towels are done. But anyway, yeah, that's what we've got going on down here. Nothing too crazy right now, but in a second it's gonna get pretty crazy. So, would you call this your office?
My kingdom.
This is Aldrin, and this is his kingdom. Aldrin, how long have you been working with AP3?
6 months.
Oh, I like that product placement.
Oh, this?
Oh, what?
Keep me hydrated.
Mm-hmm. Little plug. These water bottles are for sale. Aldrin, what is your favorite car that you've worked on so far?
Probably the F8 Tributo, the Ferrari.
Yeah, that's a
the
nice
color
one.
was very hard to do.
Yeah.
And very difficult to just get it right. So it taught me a lot.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? It is day 3 on the Stealth Model Y wrap. Uh-oh. No, that's not the Model Y. That's the Model Y. Christian is just putting a few touches on it, putting the emblems back on. Check out the wrap, guys. Also, last but not least, I want to introduce you to the owner of the company. What's going on, Tion?
What's up, AJ?
So I've been asking the guys how long they've been working at AP3. You've been working here since it started.
Quite some time, yeah.
So I'll ask you a different question. What made you want to start AP3?
That's a great question. Well, to make a long story short, I started detailing in 2010, becoming a part of the Atlanta detailing and car community. And I got into paint protection film in 2014 and just noticed a pretty big need for quality paint protection film installers in the market. I fell in love with the trade, fell in love with teaching people the trade. Luckily now we're able to be the top provider for the service in the region.
Thank you, sir. He started this company back in 2014. Him and Ryan working out of the back of his Buick Lucerne. They started it and it's grown rapidly. Exciting to see what lies ahead for the future of AP3. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you stayed all the way to the end, I know it's a kind of a long video, but we just wanted to show you a lot of our people here and our community, and we really are family. You guys have seen it's a lot of positive vibes here at the shop. So be sure to like this video if you can, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.